Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help you fix Roblox not updating through the Microsoft Store. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can prevent updates. Next, try a simple computer restart to clear any temporary software glitches. Finally, confirm your Windows operating system is fully updated, as outdated systems often cause compatibility issues. These initial steps are quick and frequently resolve common update problems, getting you back to gaming in just a few minutes. If the basic steps don't work, let's focus on the Microsoft Store itself. Open the Run dialog and type WS Reset, EXE to clear the store's cache, which often fixes download issues. Then, navigate to Windows Settings, find the Microsoft Store app, and choose to repair or reset it. Also, double-check that your system's date and time are accurate, as incorrect settings can interfere with store operations. These actions target the store directly, addressing potential internal conflicts. Now, let's troubleshoot the Roblox application specifically. A common solution is to completely uninstall Roblox, then reinstall it from the Microsoft Store. This ensures you get a fresh, uncorrupted installation. Also, make sure there are no pending Roblox updates within the store's Downloads section that might be stuck. Lastly, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall to see if it's blocking the update, as security software can sometimes interfere with game installations. These steps focus on the game itself. For more persistent issues, try running the built-in Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter, which can automatically detect and fix many problems. If all else fails, consider creating a new user profile on your computer and attempting the update from there. Sometimes, user profile corruption is the culprit. If you're still stuck after these efforts, don't hesitate to reach out to Roblox support or Microsoft support for personalized assistance. They can offer advanced diagnostics and solutions tailored to your specific situation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.